Now we study about physical and chemical changes. What is physical change? In physical change, only physical properties of the substance undergo change. The chemical properties of the substance remain unchanged. In a physical change, no new substance is formed. Physical change are temporary, and chemical, uh, for example, water change into ice and ice change in vapor. What is chemical change? What are the properties of chemical change? In a chemical change, the chemical composition and chemical properties of the reacting substance are completely changed. अर्थात हम कह सकते हैं कि फिजिकल एंड केमिकल कंपोजिशन चेंज हो जाता है wherever a chemical change take place, one or more new substance, एक नया पदार्थ बनता है. A chemical change cannot be revised easily and a chemical change is permanent change. For example, ground tree cannot be converted back into the small plants. And other example for chemical change, C plus O2 is reaction than CO2, burning of candle, burning of matches stick, burning of magnesium in air, rusting of iron, and digestion of food are the some chemical changes. What are the types of pure substance? Based on the chemical composition, constitution, matter is classified into two kinds, substance and mixture. Substance are further classified into elements and compounds, and compounds, for example, water, sugar, salt, carbon dioxide, and elements are divided into metal, non-metal, and metalloids. For example, metal, copper, silver, iron, non-metals, oxygen, phosphorus, carbon, nitrogen, and metalloids, carbon, silicon, germanium are the example of this. Now we study about the elements. Elements are the basic constitution of all matter. An element is the simplest form of matter which cannot be split into simpler substance by any chemical or physical methods. And what is compound? All compounds are formed as a result of chemical reactions. That is why compounds are also called chemical compounds. Two or more elements combine together chemically to form a new substance called compounds. Compounds are commonly termed as chemical compounds because these are formed due to chemical reaction between two or more elements. What are the characteristics of compound? A compound is always composed of two or more elements combined together chemically in the fixed proportion by mass. For example, water is a compound made up of hydrogen and oxygen in the ratio 1:8 by mass, and its formula is H2O. The properties of the compound are different from those of its constituent elements, and when a compound is formed, there is a liberation of large amount of heat energy. At a given temperature of pure compounds has fixed melting point, boiling point, and density. What are the differences between elements and compound? Number 1. An element is a pure substance which is compound of only one type of atom, but a compound is also a pure substance with a compound of two more type of atom. Elements A monatomic elements cannot be separated by any means of physical and chemical method, but a compound can be easily separated into new substance by chemical method. Number 3, there is only limited number of elements in the universe, but there are large number of compounds. Number 4, the properties of an element is the property of its atom. Properties of constituent atom and compound formed are quite different. And now we study about the difference between mixture and chemical compound. A mixture is a heterogeneous except solution with are homogeneous, but chemical compounds is always homogeneous. The compounds of a mixture may be present in any proportion, but the components of the compounds are present in a fixed proportion. Properties of a mixture are the average properties of the compounds, but properties of a compounds are entirely different from those of the components elements. The compounds of a mixture can be separated by simple physical method. The components of the compounds cannot be separated by simple physical method. Number 5, during the preparation of a mixture, no heat, light or electricity is absorbed or revolved, but formation of a compound involves the absorption of evaluation and of energy such as heat, light or electricity.